Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Deel HR and Payroll software. So, first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Deel.com. That's right. And then after that, you will be directed to their website. And as you can see right here, we don't have a sign up option because we have to contact them first and then book a demo. Okay, so to book a demo, so you just simply tap on this option right here. And here you can book a free 30-minute product demo. So you can experience a personalized product demo and get all of your questions right here. Okay, so after that, you'd be able to see here the choose a date time. All right, so you just have to tap on it and then just wait for your demo. But since we can really request for one, what we're going to do here is to discuss what they are offering. So when we tap on this, what we offer, so we have the Deel Payroll and the Deel HR. So let's start with the Deel Payroll. So here we have the employer of record, contractor of record, the contractor, and the Deel PEO. We also have for the managed payroll, we have Deel Global Payroll and the US Payroll, and for self-service payroll. So for the managed hire and pay solutions, let's go with the Deel employer of record. So of course, you can stay compliant wherever you hire. So Deel handles everything. So you're compliant when it comes to contracts, minimum wage, terminations, and other local laws. And they also have the always on HR compliance mitigates more risks than any other provider, even as your business evolves. Okay, so here you can manage your team with a self-serve HR platform. So okay, for the documents, so easily request, add, and store documents in their secure platform. So return the complexity of global document management into clarity. So for the payroll, you can cut your payroll admin from days to minutes. So simply approve expenses and bonuses and let their in-house payroll team take care of the local taxes, withholdings, deduction, and benefits in 120 plus countries for you. So on payday, employees get a direct deposit in their local currency and a full pay slip, all with industry-beating cut-off dates. And for the time off and expenses, spend list, time tracking, approving and analyzing time off and expenses. Okay, so let me just skip this part and focus on the high contractors globally. Okay, so here, so global contractor hiring made easy with compliance automation. So the Deel's always on compliance mitigates more risk than any other provider. So even as your business evolves with a compliant onboarding, misclassification alerts, and constant legal updates, Deel is the safest way to hire anywhere in the world. So 25% reduction in HR workload and 80% time saved on admin. That's right. So here you can keep track of important updates in one place. You can monitor upcoming events, alerts, and relevant resources to avoid missing an important action item. And you can also get contractor onboarded in less than 5 minutes. And you can begin the onboarding by selecting a contract agreement based on predetermined payment terms. And yeah, you can provide a contractor's information, rule details, and scope of work. And configure the payment options, dates, and recurring payment schedule if applicable. And you can also set up an invoicing policy based on your organizational needs. Next, select additional add-ons like background checks, equity grants, and co-working passes. And of course, review, sign, and send a contract in just a few clicks. You just have to go here. Okay, and then manage all your global contractors in one place. So once you've onboarded a contractor, you can see an overview of all their information. And here, zoom in to see each contractor's information, contract documents, and much more. Okay, and next is book pay all contractors with a few clicks. So save hours in making manual global payments with 3 simple steps. Okay, so now let's proceed to the Deel HR. Okay, so we have here, you can manage your team in one place. So we have the Deel Engage, Deel Benefits, Deel Talent, and more. So let's just go with the Deel Talent so you can find and hire talent faster. Okay, so you can tap into our global talent partner network. So if you're struggling to find the right candidate, you can leave it to the experts. Okay, so you can reclaim your time with all the talent partners in one place. Okay, so here you can, the homepage gives you an overview of all the job requests, agencies, submitted candidates, and pending tasks. So you're always on top of your hiring pipeline with the external partners. And have a rule you need to fill fast. Start by creating a new job requisition tailored to your needs, location, and the type of talent you are looking for. Here, you can also start by defining your role clearly, required experience, contract type, compensation, and any special notes so you can fill it out manually or use the AI assistant to get ready in seconds. Okay, and right here, you can review the populated job description and add any missing details, check approval policies, and to add anyone who needs to be notified about submitted candidates. Okay, and once your request is created, we use an intelligent matching algorithm to connect you with the recruitment firms that specialize in the talent you are looking for, from role to region. Okay, and right here, we'll usually offer multiple recommended talent partners, and you can click each one to check their specialty and learn more. So all partners are vetted by Deel to ensure a higher quality of candidates. And if you'll need to select a talent partner fee before moving forward, either recommended or custom, we suggest the recommended fee as it's based on the average for the role and the worker type. So to ensure there are no surprises, we generate a structured work order for each selected talent partner that includes key details such as the job description and talent partner fee. So you can collect, send, and requisition to the selected talent partners. So you can add briefing notes for selected partners to help them better understand your needs so they can deliver the right candidates faster, or share your calendar link to make it easier to schedule a first briefing call. Okay, so yeah, if you want more information about this one, since they have this detailed feature, so you just have to go here under what we offer, and then you just have to explore the rest options that you can find here. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.